Danish Las Vegas Tips and Tricks.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Is that the DLVTT?
Might as well do an opening right here.
Thank you so much. Got a little envelope, guys. Let's see what it is. Can I open it in front of people? I don't know.
Yeah.
He said I can open it.
It's safe for work.
I hear it's little tiny.
Nice. Wristbands. From Copenhagen to Las Vegas, guys. Pretty cool.
That's awesome. Is he in there?
I don't know. I don't think so. He might be asleep.
Okay, let me get your link and share it out.
Some dope stickers. Got a little hologram. And just the regular one. Pretty dope. A pen I can put in my bag. And there's like a card. Oh, shit. Something fell out of it.
I'm not sure if he wants to read that out loud. Thomas is probably confessing his love.
That's always popping out of
There he
his
is.
mouth.
Thomas, what's up? It's, Danish.
Yeah. I think you were on when I said thank you, but thank you, Thomas. Appreciate it. It's very cool. Love the card. Love the kind words. It's awesome.